Hey, have you been looking for information on how to use email marketing for real estate to sell more properties easily? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use email marketing for real estate to make more sales a lot more easily and find the right kind of people who are actually looking for you, rather than you going out having to look for them, right? So this is more of a passive way to make money with real estate, and this is how you would actually do it online. So basically, you would have your leads, and you need a place for the leads to go. So when they find your content, let's say they find a YouTube video, for example. YouTube is a very good way to actually generate leads in real estate, and also Facebook as well. But they need a place to go, so they would come to a capture page that looks like this, right? And you can see exactly what I'm using if you click the link directly below this video. It's going to take you to my custom branded page. But basically, they need a place to go, right? And you have to capture their contact information to be able to do email marketing and follow up with them. So as soon as they put their name and their email into this page, they would go over to a video. The video might have you in it talking about why you're the best choice for them as far as a real estate agent. And then they have the option to, click a button under the video to buy something from you. And even if they don't buy from you at that point, they're still on your email list. So they receive a series of emails that go out to them automatically whenever they opt in on day one, on day three, on day six, and so on, right? So that's called an autoresponder email sequence, right? So, you connect your autoresponder email service provider to this page right here, or to whatever page that you have. And we have tons of different templates in this builder that you can use. You connect it to the page, and now you're getting leads, and you're using email marketing. And when something happens, like let's say you closed a sale on a particular day and you want to send it out to your email list, you would just go and do a broadcast email, which is a one-time email that goes out into your list, right? So it might be your local lead list, right? So you would create video content. The best way for you to actually do it would be YouTube video, and you would put the right keywords in there and actually have your video ranking. So when people are searching for your video, they find it in the search engine, right? And then they opt into your page. When they opt into your page, they're on your list. And then when they're on your list, you could build a relationship with them, and you could use email marketing, right? It's a lot better than having to give somebody a contact card for them to contact you, and then you not having their information, right? And if you're just putting stuff in people's yards, or you're putting real estate signs, you're not retaining those leads. Those people are seeing your advertisement, but they're not actually going into a system to where you could follow up with them. And this right here has a contact manager. So all your leads and your people that come in here, you can see I have 789 contacts in this funnel right here. So they give their first name, the email, and the phone number, and then if they have a tag means where they came from, right? So you know what page they actually opted in from. So this is how I would use this, and this is how I would follow up with people. And you can also put notes in here as well on every contact. So this funnel builder tool can actually help you to create pages for your business, to create membership sites if you're trying to teach about real estate, and you want to have a membership to where people subscribe to your product. You could create the product in here, you could create the membership in here, and you could sell a digital product or a course on real estate, and you could actually make money from that as well. But you need a way to retain your leads. Like this is the page that you would opt in below if you click the link directly below this video. And this is going to give you this funnel builder tool and show you exactly how this works, right? So this funnel builder tool is only $25 per month. And the cool thing about it is anybody who uses it with you, you get a $20 per month in residual income when you use it. So you're actually making money to build your business, right? So you're making a residual income. So real estate, it will give you that one-time sell, but your residual income is also important because you want to make money passively without having to do too much. And if you don't know how to do marketing for your business, that's where you're going to be stuck at. But the cool thing about it is you don't have to worry about that because we have everything that you need to teach you how to do your marketing the right way. And this is all related to business and learning how to actually do it the right way. So here's the course that actually comes with the builder itself. We show you everything about the funnel builder and how to actually use it the right way. We show you different things, and then you get 2 weeks free of premium coaching. So when you go and get this funnel builder tool, make sure you check the box next to it for 2 weeks free of traffic and conversions premium, and you'll be able to learn about traffic. So you'll be able to learn about what you do before traffic, free methods that you can use. So we have ways to launch your business, how to invite people, how to get leads from Facebook, how to follow up with your people, how to do short form video, how to rank your videos on YouTube, how to get more people to your YouTube videos, how to do podcasting, how to use LinkedIn, how to do Facebook Lives, how to do blogging for your business, how to launch your own products right here. This is how to launch your own products. So if you've ever wanted to learn how to do this kind of stuff for your business, this is where this is. This is in premium traffic and conversions. And then we also have paid traffic methods as well. So we have the paid methods, which are low cost lead generation for a local business, which is something that would help you. Solo ad training, text message marketing, YouTube automation, so faceless videos, Facebook ads, Facebook video ads, and how to get more conversions in your business. So when you're signing up for this funnel builder, make sure you check on that box. And if you're somebody who likes to get more tasks done in your business, then we have a goal setting app, which is only $10 per month, and it takes you through a daily routine. So this is your gratitude, your stretching, your mantras. Here's meditation. Here's visualization. Here's your affirmations. Here's your exercise. Here's your reading. Here's your journaling. And then you can also put your task in and accomplish more, every single day. And you could put notes also. And all you have to do is come in here every single day and you could get more done with this app. If you want this app, it's only $10 per month. It gives you $8 per month in residual income, right? In the funnel builder tool, you get $20 per month from the $25. So we actually pay you to use these products and you get paid on them, right? So that's what's really going to be cool about this. So if you're ready to get started and to be able to make more sales in your real estate business, then make sure you click on the link below this video and learn more. The page is going to look just like this. Just click on that link below and you'll find out more information. Put your information in and you'll be taken to a page which tells you more information and how you can actually set this all up for your business. And I also have a link to my Facebook group. It's a free group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business. I also have a link for my traffic store. If you're already doing marketing and you want to get some email traffic, you can click on the link below and it'll take you to profitbuilderstraffic.com. Also, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And I thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them below. I will answer your questions and comments. So put them below this video and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon.